If you don't feed vinegar to your pigs, you will keep losing money. If you don't know this simple trick, maybe you shouldn't raise pigs at all. Today I share 4 powerful uses of white vinegar for pigs. White vinegar plus garlic stops pig diarrhea. White vinegar plus liquor improves digestion. White vinegar plus yeast helps with mild poisoning. Mix vinegar, 3 liang salt, 2 liang baking soda, 4 liang brown sugar with 20 gin hot water. Feed on empty stomach for 7 days. Pigs will eat more, grow faster, and have stronger immunity. Remember these tips and save big on your farm. Like and follow for more pig farming knowledge.